Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. Ed's Metalworks. Now we got a little side job today, just playing with something. Show you what we got here. I dug this old wrench out of the junk. Believe it or not, it is a snap-on. What does it say? GS71? I don't know how old or where or whatever, but it's pretty well rusted up, or what, it probably wasn't chrome to begin with. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to dismantle it, see if we can get it to work. I've been soaking it in parts cleaner, but I got it to spin, but I can't get the direction thing to work, so it's probably full of gunk in there or something. Let's take it apart and see if we can't get something going here. I'll set you up here and get a view. Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. Ed's Metalworks. Now we got a little side job today, just playing with something. Show you what we got here. I dug this old wrench out of the junk. Believe it or not, it is a snap-on. What does it say? GS71? I don't know how old or where or whatever, but it's pretty well rusted up, or what, it probably wasn't chrome to begin with. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to dismantle it, see if we can get it to work. I've been soaking it in parts cleaner, but I got it to spin, but I can't get the direction thing to work, so it's probably full of gunk in there or something. Let's take it apart and see if we can't get something going here. I'll set you up here and get a view. Alrighty, well, we got all our wrench parts cleaned up. Sandblasted this and wire brushed it, and I run it down my polisher a little bit, shine it up. It's got some few rust pits in it, but overall, keep it oiled up, it'll be okay. The ratchet wheel in good shape. The detent ball is loose, working good. Here's the ratchet thing. I don't know, I kind of missed the video when I knocked this out of here. I knocked it down a ways and then it just pulls right out. Nothing too serious, but I run it on my polisher a little bit. It's kind of a pot metal deal. Kind of take some of the pits out of it and shine it up a little bit. Got wire wheeled the ratchet mechanism. I don't know if you can see this little ball and spring. That goes down in that hole there. Well, when I pulled this out, that ball went flying somewhere in the shop. I'll find it someday, but luckily I had another one that fit that hole perfectly, so. And just wire brush the screws up here a little bit. I don't know if I've shown this in a video before, but this is a great little tool for holding small parts. It's just an old drill chuck with a handle on it. Holding small parts to, like this, I put down in there and hold it, and then I could polish the end of it. The screws, I just put them in there and hold them and wire brushed them off. But anyway, let's stick this thing back together and see what we end up with. Get you set up over here, and there we go. Hopefully I won't get in the way too much. Get us a little grease to put on everything as we put it back together. And see how it goes. See if I can get by without losing the ball again. ball stuck to that spring rather than my finger. Then got to have this the right way. The sharp point is runs on the ball. Now let's see if we can get that shoved down in there and drop that ratchet prawl in there. All right. Sorry, you probably can't see any of this. Trying to get it so I can get that ball down in there. Whoop. There we go. We're going to lose it again. Struggling. All right. I thought I could hold the ball down with this smaller screwdriver, and I got a littler one here. All right, we'll try again. Hope you can see what's going on here. This is more difficult than I thought. All right, we'll try to get that held down in there. Well, come on, Ed. Sorry about this. I thought didn't realize it'd be this difficult, but maybe I should have not put grease on it. It makes it kind of slick. And just get it down that hole and hold it. Maybe. Okay, I got it down there with my finger. And I got it with the, now if I can get this set down in there. Well, thought that I could get this down in here with my screwdriver holding that ball down, which I can. Okay. One more time. Push down with my finger. Hold it down there with my little screwdriver. Run this down. Got it. In wrong. Gotta go the other way. Alright. All right, got it. Got it. All righty. Now, that's off. Make sure I'm turning it the right way here. Okay, we're off right there. Oops. All righty. I think we got her all lined up here. Don't get a whole lot in there, but sorry guys, I hope I ain't blocking all this from you. It's kind of takes a little more than I thought to get it back together, but we got her. Some of the grease off of here. This is a socket. Excuse me. On. Off. It actually says on and off in here. I don't know if you can see that, but back so you knew what you were doing, I guess. Okay, we got to put a little punch mark on the end of this so that it don't pop out of there. Looks like what they had anyway. Alrighty, we got us a snap-on wrench. How do you like that? Not too bad. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of always like giving a tool some new life. This one come out of the junkyard, the rust bin. But smooth operation for I don't know how old it is. No clue. Anyway. Well, that's it on this Snap-on tour. Sorry, it was a little frustrating getting that ball in there for that ratchet mechanism, but come out pretty good. Thanks a lot for joining along. It's kind of a shaky video maybe, but anytime you can bring a tool back to life, it's fun to watch. Thanks a lot. Share it with somebody, and we'll see you on the next one.